You don't get jealous because someone else has more. You get jealous because deep down, you know you could have it too, but you're not doing what it takes to get there. That's the sting. It's not really about them, it's about you. And the gap between your potential and your current reality. That promotion they got, that physique, that success, it reminds you of what you could have if you stopped hesitating. If you actually use the talent you know you have. Here's the thing, jealousy isn't evil. It's not something to be ashamed of. It's a signal. It points to what you really want, what matters to you, what you're afraid you'll never get. But the danger isn't the feeling, it's what you do with it. Jealousy becomes toxic when you let it turn into criticism. When you say, they didn't earn that, they got lucky, they don't deserve it. You ignore the years they spent building it. You call it overnight success because you didn't see the decade behind it. That's how jealousy lies to you. And it gets worse when it's about material things. Someone buys a car you've always wanted, moves into a better house. You don't see the sacrifices, you just see the result and compare it to your own waiting. But here's a truth you won't hear often. Jealousy is rooted in desire. You want something, you haven't made progress, someone else has, and it hurts. But that hurt, that's energy. You can use it. Let jealousy show you what you really care about. Then ask yourself, what's stopping me from going after it? Not scrolling, not doubting, not resenting, just action. One small move toward the thing you want. That's how you flip jealousy into motivation. You're not angry at them. You're frustrated with your own delay. So use the signal, let it guide you, and start.